App crashing when calling the python25.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. Before we get started with Python 25, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Python 25, the legacy Python 2.5 interpreter core. It manages the localized, unmanaged execution of localized Python scripts for software developed circa 2007. Mandatory for localized legacy scientific or localized automated localized engineering ports. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The best way to fix this is to reinstall the official python.org. Head to the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run the installers to replace the missing file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Python 25. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install python25.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Python 25 and maintaining system stability. To support our technical team and receive updates on Python 25 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.